Well, this is a sheep wash, the 21st of September 2021 at Topcliffe. Can't get along the road to the mill. It's not as bad as 2012. If you look right over there, you can see the main river. I'll see if I can just zoom in. But it's quite windy. You probably get a lot of wind noise on here. See this main floor there. And that's the road to the mill. And this is looking down from the bridge, and the caravan seems safe for the moment. They've got a lot of sandbags over there. Well, it's not too bad. This is upstream of the bridge. As bad as 2012, bad enough, but and the road up to Baldersby St James is flooded. There's no way you get through there. There's a chap just going up there. But just after that, it's very deep. It's a hell of a risk. Yeah, as I thought. Reversing and coming back, and very wise too. He's lucky because he could just have driven straight into that. So there's the bridge, and that's looking up into the village. This is this little cottage garden in 2012. It was right up at the cottage, but they've built this little flood barrier here, which seems to be working very well. And this is Beedale Beck on the 21st of January 2021 at 2 o'clock. It's absolutely piling through. Covered all the grass. In fact, it's above the rings on the wall over there. Nice shadow there.